I just want to get a clean picture without this water here. Okay, here we go. Da-da-da-da. Look at that. Those microfibers did their job. Wow, that looks awesome. Oh my goodness, guys. Come on. That is just fucking cool. Guys, look at how cool this is. I don't think we should even run a hood at all. I think we should just run this open. There's no arguing about how sweet this freaking car is, okay? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. You know, I liked delivery before. Unfortunately, Auto Rim Shop is no longer a part of our program. The company has dissolved. But the light at the end of the tunnel is we get to make this car completely our own. And I think that's exactly what we did. We got the American flag on the side of the car, the motor. I mean, come on. Could not have made a better outcome with this adversity. And at the end of the day, if our driving is not as amazing as we want it to be, people are gonna enjoy the car and it's gonna be fun either way. I just wanna get this car done so I can stop building all the time. I feel like I spend so much time in the garage constantly trying to improve things here and there. And ultimately I need to be seat time. So I've really committed to finishing this car so that I can just be out on the track and spend more time just driving. And as unfortunate as it is that we lost our title sponsor, it's a huge letdown and super disappointed in what ended up happening to the company. I think as much for me as, you know, the marketing director and the people that worked for that company that all also lost their jobs. Regardless, shout out to Auto Rim Shop. What it did do for us is you guys got our car looking amazing and ready for events for the future. Guys, unbelievable. Literally have 24 hours to get this thing on a dyno. So, all right, I'm done talking. Good night, we'll see you in the morning. Thanks to Chase for hooking us up with these AN wrenches, by the way. Chase Bays, baby. Catch can AN lines have been made, fitted, tailored to fit. Cool corner here is my new catch can I bought on Amazon, matching the 30. This is officially gonna be my stopping point for the night. I know I said I was gonna be done earlier, but I decided, was too excited. All right, good night.
Congratulations to you. And you did it all by yourselves. Nobody helped you. No, that's not. That's what, you know, that's what I thought when I was young. I starting to really make it as an actor. I came in, I talked to my mother. I said, Ma, did you think that this was going to happen? I'd be so big and I'll be able to take care of everybody and I can do this and I can do that and I can. She said, boy, stop it right there. Stop it right there. She said, oh, you did it by yourself? I tell you what you can do by yourself. You can go outside, get a mop and a bucket and wash them windows. You can do that by yourself. Superstar. All the people that helped you to get where you are today, congratulations to you all. Everything that you think you see in me, everything that I've accomplished, everything that you think I have, and I have a few things, everything that I have is by the grace of God. Understand that. I've kept God in my life and has kept me humble. I didn't always stick with him, but he always stuck with me. So stick with him. If you think you want to do what you think I've done, then do what I've done and stick with God. You only live once, so do what you feel passionate about. Take chances professionally. And understand that to achieve these goals, you must apply discipline and consistency. You have to work at it. Every day you have to plan. Hard work works. Working really hard is what successful people do. True desire in the heart, that itch that you have, whatever it is you want to do, that's God's proof to you. Sent beforehand already to indicate that it's yours. And anything you want good, you can have. So claim it.
It's a new car.
Off to the dyno.